Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Razr 60 and let me share with you how to soft reset or force restart this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches, for example, like swiping or trying to open something, or you cannot close something. So all you need to do is to press the power button, which is located right here, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button and keep pressing. We've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot really tap on it. So keep pressing the power button. Okay, we've got the black screen, but keep pressing. We've got the developer's logo, so in this moment, just release the finger, and now your device will power on itself, and after that, it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.